Greetings. If you're seeking an AI tool that can craft stories for you, you've come to the right place. Today, I will be demonstrating how you can generate a story in just 5 minutes using an AI tool. So let's get started.
The village hall was full to the brim with locals eager to hear about the missing treasure. Next day, the village receives a strange call from a man who claims he knows the location of the missing treasure.
Hello there. I am delighted to share with you a quick and easy way to create a captivating story using AI tools. Let's dive in. Number 1. Head over to the website onceuponabot.com and sign up using your Gmail account. Number 2. Input the title of your story. You can generate various story titles using ChatGPT AI tool. Simply provide a prompt to ChatGPT and select the one that resonates with you. Number 3. Choose the writing style, artwork, and narrator that you prefer. Number 4. Allow the tool to generate your story. It might take a few moments, so please be patient. Number 5. Once your story is ready, download it as a PDF file. Number 6. Now open your preferred browser and search for a PDF to image converter tool. Convert your PDF to an image file. Number 7. Head over to canva.com and click on Video. Upload the image and audio files of your story and voila! Your story is now available in video format, ready to be shared wherever you'd like.
The village hall was full to the brim with locals eager to hear about the missing treasure. Next day, the village receives a strange call from a man who claims he knows the location of the missing treasure. As the village's oldest inhabitant, Mr. Lovelace is convinced the treasure was hidden by his great-grandfather. To avoid arousing suspicion, the caller insists on meeting the village leaders in a secret location and hides his face in the shadows. The stranger's clues lead to an old book in the church, which seem to point to a map that can help locate the treasure. As night falls, the group struggles through the woods and begins to get weary and wonder if the treasure is worth the journey. At dawn, our group of village leaders set out on their journey using the ancient map, hoping to uncover the mystery of the missing treasure. At last, they arrive at the spot, behind an old oak tree, and dig up the treasure chest, filled with sparkling jewels and golden coins. The village hall is crowded once again, and our village leaders tell the story of their discovery of the lost treasure, to the delight of a captivated audience.